The 1980s were a golden era for Japanese motorcycles, a time when bulletproof engineering, timeless design, and legendary reliability defined the industry. But what bikes truly stood the test of time? Well, in this video, we'll dive into the 10 most reliable Japanese motorcycles from the 80s, machines that are still running long and strong decades later. Let's get started. Number 10 is the Honda CG125. Some motorcycles are built for speed and others prioritize style, but the Honda CG125, well, it was designed to stand the test of time. This air-cooled 4-stroke cylinder machine became the gold standard for durability, simplicity, and reliability. Whether navigating urban streets, transporting cargo across rugged back roads, or being the reliable choice for countless commuters, the CG125 bike never quits. Forget about high-maintenance engineering. The CG125 was created to endure and keep going. Its pushrod valve system eliminates the need for a fragile timing chain, reducing wear and making maintenance pretty straightforward. The soft suspension and lightweight frame are surprisingly comfortable, even on pothole-ridden roads. And with a kickstart ignition and a carbureted fuel system, it's mechanically bulletproof. From Asia to South America to Africa, the CG125 is everywhere, trusted by beginners, couriers, and lifelong riders alike. With low maintenance costs, excellent fuel efficiency, and great resale value, this machine shows that practicality never goes out of style. Number 9 is the Yamaha FJ1100. Before sport tourers became a distinct category, the Yamaha FJ1100 redefined what a high-performance touring machine could be. Launched in 1984, this big-bore powerhouse combined superbike speed with long-distance comfort, proving that high-speed thrills and endurance could coexist. With 125 horsepower, a 1,097cc inline-4 engine, and a 146-mile-an-hour top speed, the FJ1100 wasn't just fast, it was revolutionary. At its heart, the DOHC air-cooled inline-4 delivers raw, reliable power without that complexity of liquid cooling. 4 Mikuni carburetors ensure smooth fuel delivery, while the 5-speed gearbox and chain drive create a distinct, exhilarating riding experience. But the FJ1100 wasn't just about speed, it was built for profound distance. The full fairing, long wheelbase, and balanced chassis provide wind protection and high-speed stability, making it equally at home on twisty roads or open highways. Though it was succeeded by the FJ1200 in 1986, the FJ1100 remains a legend cherished by motorcycle enthusiasts. Built by Yamaha's legendary engineering, this 80s powerhouse still commands respect, a testament that speed and endurance never go out of style. Number 8 is the Kawasaki GPZ 500S. Some motorcycles are built for sheer power, while others focus on comfort, but the Kawasaki GPZ 500S, well, it blends performance, affordability, and versatility into one sport touring package. Launched in 1987, this lightweight powerhouse quickly has become a go-to choice for riders seeking agility, reliability, and real-world usability, without that hefty price tag. Powered by a 498cc liquid-cooled DOHC 8-valve parallel twin engine, pumping out 60 horsepower with smooth, predictable power delivery, it is incredible. Unlike its air-cooled rivals, the GPZ runs cooler, it lasts longer, and it thrives under pressure. The Cayenne CVK 34 carburetors keep fuel delivery precise, while the 6-speed transmission ensures effortless riding, whether you're in city traffic or carving up the highway. With a lightweight frame, sharp handling, and a well-balanced chassis, the GPZ 500S is a thrill to ride without being intimidating. Its affordable maintenance, great fuel economy, and Kawasaki's bulletproof engineering made it ideal for commuters, weekend riders, and sport touring enthusiasts alike. Though eventually succeeded by the Kawasaki ER5, the GPZ 500S remains a fan favorite, a testament to a perfect mix of speed, practicality, and reliability. We've seen some great machines so far, but which 80s motorcycle truly reigns supreme in reliability? Some have clocked hundreds of thousands of miles, while others remain riders' favorites decades later. Stick around because the most indestructible bikes are still ahead. Number 7 is the Honda XL250S. Now, before adventure bikes became popular, the Honda XL250S already dominated trails and dirt roads. It was the first mass-produced 4-stroke dual-sport motorcycle, paving the way for generations of off-road capable bikes. Built for rugged durability, lightweight handling, and versatility, the XL250S quickly became the ultimate tool for adventurers and off-road enthusiasts. At its core lies a 250cc SOHC air-cooled single-cylinder engine engineered for simplicity, reliability, and easy maintenance. Unlike temperamental two-strokes, the XL250's four-stroke power is smooth, predictable, and built to last. With Honda's robust engineering and a carbureted fuel system, it's a machine that's easy to fix and hard to break, no matter where the road takes you. The XL250's high ground clearance, long travel suspension, and lightweight steel frame make it unstoppable on rough terrain. Later models added disc brakes and ProLink rear suspension for even better control. Decades later, the XL250S is still going strong, proving that great engineering never fades. So whether you're commuting or exploring the unknown, the legendary dual sport is ready for anything. Number 6 is the Yamaha XV750 Virago. Now, when Japanese manufacturers entered the cruiser market, the Yamaha XV750 Virago set the standard. Launched in '81, it was the first Japanese V-twin cruiser, proving that style and reliability could indeed coexist. The Virago redefined the cruiser segment with shaft-driven durability, smooth power delivery, and effortless long-distance comfort. Powered by a 748cc air-cooled SOHC V-twin, it was built for low-maintenance, stress-free reliability. Unlike early V-twins that were prone to heat issues and mechanical failures, the Virago's robust design and excellent heat dissipation ensured it ran flawlessly for decades. The shaft drive system eliminated chain maintenance, while electronic ignition provided reliable starts. A well-balanced chassis and soft suspension made it effortless to ride, and its strong transmission and simple carburation ensured that it was easy to maintain and nearly indestructible. From novice riders to seasoned tourers, the XV750 Virago is a legend, one of Yamaha's most dependable and beloved cruisers. Whether kept stock or customized, it's a testament to the enduring nature of great engineering. Number 5 is the Kawasaki KLR650. Now, some bikes chase speed, others chase style, but the Kawasaki KLR650 is built to go anywhere, endure anything, and never back down. Since '87, this dual sport legend has been a top choice for adventurers, overlanders, and budget-conscious riders who demand a machine that tackles highways, dirt roads, and rugged trails without breaking the bank. Its 651cc air-oil-cooled single-cylinder engine is a bulletproof workhorse, simple, overbuilt, and designed to run for decades with minimal maintenance. With no complex electronics, a simple carbureted fuel system, and a robust 5-speed transmission, the KLR650 is easy to fix and virtually indestructible. After decades of production, the KLR650 remains the ultimate no-nonsense adventure bike. Simple, reliable, and always ready to take on a challenge. If you're looking for a motorcycle that can navigate desert crossings to backroad expeditions, the KLR650 is a Swiss Army knife of motorcycles, ready for anything, anywhere. Number 4 is the Yamaha XJ650 Seika. Now, motorcycles are often built for either speed or endurance, but the Yamaha XJ650 Seika delivers both. Introduced in 1980, this sport touring machine blends inline-four performance with long-distance comfort, making it a favorite among riders who need a bike that can handle curves, conquer highways, and require minimal maintenance. Powered by a 653cc DOHC air-cooled inline-four engine, and it delivers 73 horsepower with Yamaha's signature smoothness. The Mikuni CV32 carburetors ensure precise fuel delivery, providing strong acceleration and effortless highway cruising. Matched with a 5-speed gearbox, the XJ650 delivers reliable, consistent performance on any road. Unlike chain-driven sport bikes, the XJ650 delivers a low-maintenance shaft drive, eliminating the hassle of chain adjustments. Its streamlined fairing, balanced chassis, and sportier riding position offer nimbleness in the city and stability at high speeds. Though later succeeded by the XJ750 and XJ900 Seika, this legendary sport tourer remains a favorite for motorcycle enthusiasts or simply anyone who respects a machine that was well ahead of its time. The Seika remains an icon of 1980 sport touring excellence. Number 3 is the Honda CX500. Now, while some motorcycles are built to turn heads, others are built to go the distance. The Honda CX500 did both. Introduced in 1978 and produced until 1986, this liquid-cooled shaft-driven V-twin was over-engineered for durability, earning a reputation as one of Honda's most reliable machines. At its heart lies a 497cc liquid-cooled longitudinal V-twin designed to run cooler and handle more stress than air-cooled rivals. The shaft drive eliminates chain maintenance, while roller bearings and a high-mounted camshaft reduce wear. Now, with proper care, the CX500 engine could comfortably exceed 200,000 miles. Built with Honda's legendary precision, it features a CDI ignition system, a 5-speed transmission, and a wet clutch, all designed for longevity. While early models had minor stator and cam chain tensioner issues, simple fixes kept this machine on the road for decades. Whether in stock form, cafe racer, or scrambler, the CX500 refuses to quit, solidifying its status as one of Honda's most dependable classics. Number 2 is the Yamaha SR500. Now, while Japanese motorcycle technology rapidly evolved, the Yamaha SR500 still remained true to its pure mechanical riding. With its air-cooled kickstart single-cylinder engine, this classic roadster embraced simplicity, reliability, and raw riding experience, making it a favorite among purists, cafe racers, and custom builders. At its heart is a 499cc thumper, delivering strong, predictable torque with a classic exhaust note. No liquid cooling, no electric start, no frills, just a Mikuni carburetor, a 5-speed gearbox, and a Kickstarter that separated real riders from the rest. The lightweight frame, British-inspired styling, and stripped-down design made the SR500 a blank canvas for custom builds. Whether transformed into a cafe racer, scrambler, or bobber, it remains a top choice for modifications. The SR500 is built to last. With minimal electronics, simple mechanics, and Yamaha's renowned engineering, it's built to last. Though production ended in '99, its legendary thumper still roams the streets, proving that true classics never go out of style. Number 1 is the Honda Super Cub. Not every motorcycle is built for speed or power. Some are just built to last forever, and the Honda Super Cub is one of them. By the 1980s, this legendary machine had already become the most produced and reliable motorcycle in history, cementing its place as the ultimate commuter bike. With engine options from 49cc to 90cc, C50, 70, and 90, the Cub delivered unmatched reliability and fuel efficiency, making it a go-to ride for commuters, couriers, and everyday riders. Its semi-automatic 3-speed or 4-speed transmission eliminated the need for a clutch. Just shift, twist, and then ride. The step-through frame, lightweight design, and enclosed chain made the Cub easy to ride, easy to maintain, and nearly indestructible. Whether kick-starting or using an electric start, it fired up every time. Ready for another day of work, adventure, or city cruising. From Tokyo to Bangkok, Latin America to Africa, the Super Cub became the motorcycle of the people. Affordable, unbreakable, and built to last. Even today, 1980s models still roam the streets, proving that great engineering never fades. And that wraps up our list. These legendary 80s machines were built to ride and last. Which is your favorite? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle content. Ride safe and keep on cruising.